do the shit. I don't want to do it no more. But don't nobody. I don't want to take care of nobody.
I agree with you on that.
I'm trying to take care of myself. And I can take care of my kids. But I'm not trying to bring another man in here and then I'm trying to take care of him.
I can agree with you on that.
But it's bad when they say, oh, women are this or that, or no, we have to. Because there's no one beside us, so who else gonna do it?
Trust me, I understand not wanting to take care of a grown man. I'm not in disagreement, and I understand it.
It's like, it's scary.
I totally understand. All right. Getting everything cleaned up. Got the trailer loaded. Last little bit of stuff here. What we do? Your part. You can't do his part. It's gonna definitely. Get it done. Cleaning up the last little bit of stuff. In the front yard, we got the back done. We just getting this last little bit done. And we are done with this property. And we headed to you next. That's right, because you already picking up the phone, calling 770-899-7432. Or you done went to MrCantStop.com and put in your request for some landscaping or some tree work done by the tree spot tree service as well. And if you got something that you need built or put together, you're going for 4D's Builders. Hey, it's the Cant Stop brand. All right, we got the front yard all done.